Dropshipping AliExpress products on Etsy is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To dropship AliExpress products on Etsy, you need to follow these steps. Dropshipping from AliExpress to Etsy is prohibited. Why? Because goods need to be handmade, vintage, or a craft supply. For example, if you're selling a t-shirt, the design on the t-shirt must have been created by you. While some sellers have been able to sneak their way in, often by having their own custom photos, you're still not allowed to dropship on Etsy. And getting caught can have you banned from the platform. Dropshipping your own brand, maybe Etsy isn't the best marketplace to dropship products. But that doesn't mean you can't dropship successfully somewhere else. The best way to dropship products online is by having your own online store. That way, you gain full control over your business. Here are a few benefits of having your own store. You have to mind your own brand, marketing, and sell as many as you like.